Minasan konbanwa, harugaku ni yokoso. Today I would like to show you how to read the auction sheet of a typical Japanese auction. I have taken out an auction sheet of USS auction. This is an auction sheet from USS auction house, one of the largest auction house in Japan. USS means used car system solutions. Used car system solution. Here lots of vehicles are being sold in this auction house, are being sold and purchased in this auction house. Now for the next one, this is written here, this in katakana, it means auction. Katakana, it means auction. Shuppin hyo, product display. The next one is jotai setsume sho. It means that it will show you the condition, it will explain you the condition. Jotai means condition, setsume means explanation, and sho, this sho is the kanji from kaku, the same kanji, it's kanji of kaku, it means sho. Jotai setsume sho means condition, explanation, certificate. Now move to the next box, the box here, shareki jikai yo igai wa kinyu. Shareki jikai yo igai wa kinyu. So here vehicle history about owners will be written over here, how many owners of the vehicles, so it will be written over here, the vehicle history about owner. The next one is haiki ryo means displacement of an engine, how much cc of the engine is that, so 1600 cc, 1500 cc, so you will write over here, you will show over here. The next one is katashiki means model type, the engine model type of the vehicle, katashiki. Now move to the next box. Here you will see the next box, it's shodo torok nengetsu. It means that first time registration, the first time registration of the vehicle, the year and month will be mentioned over here. Now move to the next one, it's over here, the shame means the name of a car will be mentioned over here, the name of the car, shame. The next one is keijo doa su, the shape of the door and the number of the doors will be mentioned over here, number of doors, how many doors are there, so we will write over here. The next box is related to the grade, it's written over in katakana, grade means grade of the vehicle. Now you will see you will see here 2WD means two-wheel drive or four-wheel drive, it is mentioned over here in English language. So now move to the next one, is the next box is about the hyokaten, means the valuation of the vehicle. The grade of the vehicle will be mentioned over here, the auction grade will be mentioned over here, it means hyokaten. The next box here is naiso means internal, naiso internal. Hojo hyoka internal auxiliary valuation. Here you will see the external grade of the car, and over here you will see the internal grade of the car. Now move to the next box, shaken means vehicle inspection. So you will see the year over here, the kanji of year, then the kanji of year, the kanji of month, so the inspection till what year and what month the inspection has been done. So you will see the inspection period over here, the car has been inspected till what year and what month. You will see over here. Now move to the next box. The next box is related to mileage. In katakana you will see mair, mair means miles, and normally in Japan the mileage of the vehicle is written in kilometers, so it is written in kilometers. So soko means the mileage of the vehicle. Now the next box is related to the soto iro, exterior color soto iro. The first kanji written over here is, it means gen iro, moto iro. Gen iro means original color of the vehicle will be mentioned over here. If the color has been changed, so it will be mentioned over here, and it means irogai means change of color will be mentioned over here. If the color has been changed, so it will be mentioned over here. Now move to the next one. In katakana it is written kara number, color number will be mentioned over here. The color code will be mentioned over here. Now the next box is related to the nenryo means fuel type. In katakana you can read over here gasoline means gasoline or petrol, gasoline. The next one is ku means diesel, light oil, diesel, ku, gasoline, ku. So you will see the mark like this in the auction sheet. Now move to the next one is naiso iro means internal color of the vehicle will be mentioned over here. Internal color will be mentioned over here. Now move to the next one. It's Unyu Shayo. This box is related to the cars which have been imported from abroad in Japan. The foreign vehicles from Europe or from America which have been imported to in Japan. So you will see the details about those vehicles over here. The year will be mentioned over here if it is imported from abroad. Unyu Kubun. This one is Unyu Kubun. So you will see over here it's Dira Heko. It's dealer side. So this box is not related to. And the next box is Handoro. In katakana you can see Handoro means handle or steering. You can see in kanji over here the left right, hidari migi, left right. Now move to the next box is recycle yotakin, recycle deposit. The vehicles which are been exported to the abroad from Japan, so you need to pay the recycling fees for those vehicles. So the recycling fees will be mentioned over here. Now move to the next box. The next box is about the passenger capacity. It's Joyo Tain passenger capacity. The next box is related to Sekisai Ryo, the loading capacity. The loading capacity of the vehicle, Sekisai Ryo. Now move to the next box is, you can see written over here in katakana, it's shifto means shift, automatic or manual will be mentioned over here. The next one is Rebo means air conditioning. The air conditioning information will be mentioned over here. Now the next box is Shinsha Sebi Techo. I think most of the students will remember about Techo, which they have learned in chapter 1. Techo means pocket notebook. Techo, right? Techo, pocket notebook. So here Shinsha Sebi Techo means new vehicle facility book, the new vehicle equipment book. If it is available, then it will be marked like this. If it is not available, then it will be marked like on it, right? And Hosho Suki, the warranty manual. Hosho Suki, warranty manual or the pocket notebook of the facilities or the equipments will be, if it is available, then you will mark over here. If it is not available, then mark over here, like somewhere like this. The next box is Meigi Henko Kigen. Meigi Henko Kigen. It means that the owner's name change time period. Owner's name change time period will be mentioned over here. The month and the date. Month and date. Now move to the next box. The next box is related to the original equipments of the vehicle. The original equipments will be mentioned over here. It's Jun Seihin. Jun Seihin. SR means sunroof. Jun AW means original alloy wheels. PS power steering. PW power window. Kawa, you can see in katakana it is written here Kawa. Kawa means leather. TV, terebi TV. Nabi means navigation. Navigation. ARB means airbags. Information will be marked over here. Airbag. So original airbags, if the airbags are original, so it will mark like this. Original airbags, original navigation, original TV, original leather, sunroof will be marked like this. The next box is related to the sales point. In katakana you can see sales point means sales point, selling points. The good points, the selling points will be mentioned over here. The good points will be mentioned over here. Now move to the next box. The next box is Torok number. Torok number means the registration number will be mentioned over here. Torok number. The next box is related to Shadai number. Shadai number means the chassis number. Sometimes it is written like the Shashi Bango, but in kanji it's Shadai. Shadai number means chassis number will be mentioned over here. Shadai number. The next box is written here over in katakana. It's Shirier number. Shirier number means serial number. Shiria number means serial number. Now move to the next box. The next box is written over here is about Chui Jiko Shufuku Fuguai Kasho Oyobi Jotaito. Like here you can see the careful points or the repair works. If something, the repair works related information will be mentioned over here. The careful points or the bad points or the repair works, repair history information of vehicle will be mentioned over here. The condition of the vehicle will be mentioned over here. The careful points, Chui Jiko, careful notes, careful points will be mentioned over here. Chui Jiko. Now move to the next one is Kensa in Kokoku. Kensa in Kokoku. It's remarks from the inspector of the USS auction house. The inspector of the USS auction house of the vehicle of the USS auction house will write his or her remarks over here. The remarks from an inspector, the report from an inspector will be mentioned over here. Now move to the last one. The last one is here is Nidai Nainsun Yak. The size of the vehicle will be mentioned over the length, breadth and height. Length, breadth and height. Nagasa, Haba, Takasa will be right over here. Nagasa, Haba, Takasa will be written over here. The length, breadth and height of the vehicle will be written over here. The internal size will be mentioned over here. Now over here it mentioned like Shakensho Ue no Sumpo. Shakensho Ue no Sumpo means the size, the external size will be mentioned over here. External size or the size which is not written in the inspection certificate will be mentioned over here. The inspection certificate, the external size will be mentioned over here. Now the last one is Supea. Supea means spare. So you can see these round boxes are showing for tires. So this is also the round box. So the spare tire information will be written over here. If it is filled, it means that the spare tire is available. So spare tire. So this is what the typical auction sheet of the USS auction. So I hope that you understand the terminologies of the auction sheet, and thank you very much for watching this video. はい、どうもありがとうございました。